Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Redmi A1 to Wi-Fi network. And to do this you'll need to either scroll down your notification bar and here hold your finger on the Wi-Fi. Other way to do it is to open your settings, navigate on top to network and internet, here select Wi-Fi and you can also see the list. Now to connect to some network, I will, for this example, disconnect from this one and forget it, and here select the network that you will connect to and know the password for, and I will use this one. Enter the password in the pool right here, click on done and the connection should start. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.